What's good, YouTube? It's your boy HUNIDK, and I'm back from another video. So today we're about to try to do something different. We're about to do a monkey video. My little brother.
Oh, my bad.
Alright, you keep hiding out the camera.
I was doing something.
So we're about to be having random girls on monkey app rape my brother. Yeah. Alright, so now we're about to start. I'm about to start the screen recorder in 3, 2, 1. You know this should be like give you poison.
Oh, no boy.
Oh, yeah, if it's a boy, we skip it. Alright, she's 21.
She's 21. I'm only 16.
How you doing?
I'm doing good, and you?
Good. Alright, so we doing a YouTube video right now, right? I need you to answer a question for me.
Are you recording me?
No.
Why live?
Nah.
Mm.
Alright, so you ready to answer a question?
She said I'm ugly. I'm a man. I'm running away.
Ready to answer the question? Alright, look. I need you to like rate him on the skin. 1 to 10.
No,
Here.
I wasn't even ready.
Let me see your hair.
Bro, am I doing that? You right now?
Alright, but talk that question. That you mean?
Let me see your hair.
He got a dewey on right now.
It's okay.
He got a dewey on. He don't want to take it off.
Bro, like,
Is it bad?
No, it's not bad. He got weaves.
I ain't been trying to what's up?
I mean, you're like a 7.
Yeah, 7. Alright, I really appreciate it.
Yeah, friend.
Why you smiling? Why you smiling?
I'm about to say our bio. It wasn't that bad. You're 17, young boy. Can you read?
We can't answer or skip him. It's gonna come by itself.
She a kid.
These are, how you doing?
She is not 14.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Good. How old you is?
14.
You 14? How old you is?
I'm 16.
I just need you to answer a quick question. For me.
Gabe 14?
Right. I just need you to rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
Nope.
Bro, she's only rating you. You act like you about to fuck her.
Why don't you just leave me the camera?
How about you just take the phone? Like I said.
Bro, skip that shit. Fuck. She 18.
You see that? You see.
How you doing? How you doing?
Yeah, you.
Good. Alright, so I need you to answer a quick question for me. Right?
What's your question?
I need you to rate my little brother on a scale of 1 to 10.
What he said? Rate him.
Yo.
Here? Yeah, 10. Hey, we got so close. 5.
5.
8.
There's 3 of y'all. I only heard 2
She
answers.
said 5, 7, 8.
8, 5, and 7.
Oh, alright, solid. I think you want bed. Go ahead.
No, I ain't gonna bet. The way the fat girl came out, that shit funny. Oh, ugly as shit.
She 15. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good.
Nope.
So I need. Hi.
Nope.
Tyler. Gabe, sit down. This is why I told you to sit down, bro. Come on.
No, we can't see
Hi.
her, but she can see me. No.
How you doing?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm good. How old you is?
16.
16. Alright, I need you to answer a quick question for me, alright?
Okay.
Alright, I need you to rate him on a scale of 1 to 10.
Bro.
He's like 6.5.
The 6.5 is bad. He ugly.
She gotta go. Skip me. She gotta go. Tell me I'm a 6, bitch. We can't even see your face. And you talking about
Hey.
Nah, she's like she's 12.
Hi.
How old you is?
I'm playing.
She said 13.
How old?
What?
How old you is?
She says
Bro, you better put your little age so good.
who ugly?
No.
Bro.
No, eyebrows.
You see your forehead?
Back to you, sir. Take
Out of here. She ugly as shit.
So what's his rating?
That tight ass bandana. Get out of here. You ugly as shit. You high in your face and shit. Like, you ugly as shit. My mama slap you. No, should've let me keep bidding on that ugly ass bitch.
What's up, Jay?
How you doing?
She said Bay or Jay.
Good.
Which one she said?
How old you is?
Yeah. That's cute.
How old are you?
Did she say Bay or Jay?
16.
You 16? I need you to answer a quick question.
What?
I need you. Where is you going? I need you to rate my little brother. 1 to 10. Oh shit! Yeah, you talk to the camera.
Damn, you're so fucking active. You're like a 8. Yeah, he's an 8.
Alright, that's the.
I want to see her face. Like, why you keep skipping, cuz?
We're gonna get in the reading.
Let me get in the camera, bro.
Why you?
She big as shit. I'll be right back.
Why are you high? Oh, let's say 21. Tyler, what is you doing?
Yo. That's a whole nigga.
That's the only thing about like the website. You can't skip niggas. Like you gotta join it. You gotta join it and just like leave it.
You could skip without having the time on.
Type shit.
I got let it in my break tits.
I didn't know if that was a boy or girl.
Nigga, it say he and shit.
No, I wasn't looking at
My man's gay looking like he wanna get in this joint.
You wanna swap out? Wow.
Let him take your place. Me and Gabe take your video over.
You want to? Take over.
Yeah, get in this joint. Oh no, it's a boy and a girl.
Alright, cut it real quick.
How you doing?
Shit.
How old you is?
Nope.
I'm sick of this shit. I need some different.
No, come on, we already recording, bro.
I need a
Sometimes
different outfit.
Bro, it don't matter. She only see the shirt. And say, I got this. You got this.
I don't got shit.
How you doing?
Oh, you more ugly.
Is that a nigga?
Yeah, I'm more ugly as shit. I'm more like.
Hold on. Wait, for the girl, not you. I need you to rate my little brother.
No, bro, cause.
No, not you. I said the girl.
Crack, nigga.
Can a girl rate
know what I
him?
said, nigga?
Just rate the little nigga.
Crack, nigga. Watch your mouth.
He called you a nigga.
Yeah, chill out, for my brother break his glasses.
I just said 8.
Yeah, 8. Alright, send him here.
He said, chill out, my little brother break glass.
That's your ass.
No, wasn't, bitch. I'll break your
What it-
face. That mo got a. Yeah, you see, that mo had a whole sniper. What are you doing?
We'll be right back. They want to take over my video this channel, so the next clip I'm not gonna be here.
Alright, we about to start the screen record.
Like, it's a good match.
Shut the fuck up, nigga. Yo. She wanted a friend request already. She gonna send a friend request and fucking leave. Like, what the fuck?
you?
Oh, that was her.
PS5 or PS4?
Shut up, bitch. It's a boy. Niggas about to start bitching. Yo. Bro, I'm sick of these girls, yo. They're not trying to show their face.
See, we might hop back in the camera. They don't like answer when you get the phone. It's like big head.
I was about to say, that's some blazing shit right there. His name Dre. Bitch ass nigga, he ugly as shit. Yo. Yo.
Hey, what y'all doing? Y'all in deep? He's on the toilet. I saw 3.
There was 2 of us.
Why you keep looking at him?
Exactly why you keep looking at me?
You got it.
That's cute. You look like Lanera's boyfriend.
She said you cute. I heard her in the background.
Yeah, you said he was cute.
Bro, this
You
shit.
look like Lanera's boyfriend. Let me see you right now.
Hold
Baby
on.
nose.
I'm trying to.
How old are y'all?
I'm 16.
Damn, y'all young as hell.
How old are y'all?
We 18. Yeah.
18. Bro, she taking too long.
Oh, wait for Tyler. He's
Gabe just sitting there keep putting his fucking head down. I think I'm about to just sit there and ask everything. Like, I don't give a fuck if you move your leg. The hell?
where you got it?
Let me bitching.
Hey YouTube, look, I forgot to record an outro, so get this video to 100 likes if y'all want to see a part 2. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and we go.